Good morning everyone, welcome back to Question a Day. Today is July the 5th and we'll be answering yesterday's question on quadratics. And just before we begin, that's just a leftover from yesterday. Let's get rid of that disgusting font. There we go. Never liked it. Today we're talking about quadratics. And we've got x to the 4 minus 14x squared plus 45 equals 0. And so some of you might be thinking, that's not a quadratic, that's a quartic. There's an x to the power of 4 in there. Now, what this is our hidden quadratic. So the trick we want to use here is we want to convert this equation into a more typical quadratic that we know. So what we can do is we can we can choose a letter, let's say t, and we're going to set that equal to x squared. Now we can take this and rewrite our equation as x to the 4 is going to become t squared minus 14 lots of t plus 45 is equal to 0. So now we can take this, we can solve this. This factorizes quite nicely. It factorizes into t minus 9 and t minus 5. That's equal to 0. And then we get our two solutions. T is equal to 9 and t is equal to 5. We're not done there. We found values for t. We need to convert this back to values for x. So we get x squared is equal to 9 and x squared is equal to 5. So there are two solutions that we generate. Our last trick, so we just need to get these values of x now. So we are going to square root both of these, and we need to remember that the value of the square root has two possible outcomes. It could either be positive or negative. So two values of x for x squared equals 9. We're going to get x is equal to 3. We're going to get x is equal to negative 3. Now for x squared is equal to 5, we're going to get that x is equal to the square root of 5, and x is equal to the negative square root of 5. And that's our solution. If you wanted to check that, again, you could put these in as factors and expand that out, and hopefully you would see that they give us our 4 solutions to this quartic equation. You would expect it to have 4 solutions, but we can use our knowledge of quadratics to kind of give us an easier way of getting to them. So that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.